I'm making a pizza. Who likes a pizza? With my glittery Play-Doh. Hey, my pizza. Oh, why was I doing that? Whatever. So this is not gonna be a good pizza since I can't mix this Play-Doh because it's gonna get stuck to my Play-Doh. Oh, okay. I think this is more better, but I don't know. I have an idea. I'll make a pot instead. I have a hole. Now it's a donut. Yeah. My hands are so gluey. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a donut. Okay, so donuts around the corner. Donuts around the corner. I destroyed my donut. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna use that one later. I think I need to wash my hands. So now I'm gonna use my little Play-Doh. So what should I make with this one, guys? Do you know? I think I know. My stamp. I hope this works. It worked a bit. I think I should try again. I think I could do something better. That's what happens when I push too hard. Yeah, it's a halfway LOL. I think this is good. But I need to put this one back on. Oh, I'm going to keep it here so I don't forget. What should I make with this one? I have an idea. A stick figure. Wait, I've already tried that before. Oh, I could try it again. So, that's not good. I need more Play-Doh. Hey, what's wrong with you? I almost started my pajamas. Okay, I think this is a bad one. Okay, let me just try my best. Because practice makes perfect. Perfect day. Hey, and I've never made a stick man with Play-Doh. Whatever. Okay, so now I need some more Play-Doh. What should I use that one? No, I don't want to mix my Play-Doh now. A different day. Only a little bit, by the way. Let's make some Play-Doh before. It's not my favorite thing. Oh, I made a little eye already. I think I should make the eyes. Oh, surprise. A surprise mouth. Okay. And another fat arm. It's stupid. Uh-oh, I don't have any more Play-Doh. It looks like I have to cut some. Yeah. Cut some up. And then I'm not going to roll it like that. And some skinny legs. Skinny. Oh no, my Play-Doh. Oh. Hey, naughty Play-Doh. Okay, hey, what was that? Oh, I still have some Play-Doh here. Yeah, my stick figure is done. With the real face. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Okay, what should I make for an orange one? A kitty! Wait, did I really make a kitty? Do you guys say I made a kitty already? Nah, I don't remember. Whatever. I think I'll make two things since this is pretty big. Okay, first thing, what should I make? Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna make you guys. Okay, so you have a head. Okay, you might look really weird. I don't know, but are you guys okay if I call you Boo Boo? What's that? Whatever. Oh, you have eyes, a nose, and then a mouth. You have a weird name. Hello. Look like a tiger now. See your body. Your arms. Your arms. Why do I keep hearing that noise? Whatever. That's nothing. Okay, so now another arm. Okay, I hope this sticks well. I hope you stick. So now your legs. And that's you. And oh, I need to make 5 things. Maybe. Oh no, 3. Oh, 5. Great. 5. Great. I like you. I'll make alphabets. Okay, I have some alphabets I can copy. Well, I think I'm gonna make A, B, C until I finish. What are you guys? Oh, this is you. A. Now B time. B. 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 Okay, so now this is gonna be a curve. Okay, this is not good. Okay, whatever. I'll just put some more to the end. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Do you guys watch Winnie the Pooh? I barely don't. But I know some people who do, but I don't know their names. This is going to be a weird bee. We're lucky!